Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Ron again from wapinas.com, and today we're doing a quick unboxing of another anti-COVID device that we can use to keep our home safe. It's from Aller and it's called the Nano Plus. Okay, so the Aller Plasma Nano Plus Plasma Sterilizer. Okay, it's already available in the market. Search on Google, just type Aller Plasma Nano Plus and you should find product descriptions and everything else. According to here on the box that they have, according to the product testing, is 99.9% effective in bacterial removal rate, especially for Staphylococcus albus. Okay, 93.2% of VOCs, like cigarette smoke, 54% on benzene removal rate, 99.9%, which is the important one, for viruses, and 81.8% for maldehyde. Okay, it's supposed to be eco-friendly, no consumables, no chemicals, no radiations, and unlike air purifiers and air sterilizers that you have to change filters, this is not supposed to have any filters. Okay, so it's supposed to be using plasma technology to fight off and kill viruses and bacteria. Okay, that's why it's called plasma. It's not a plasma cannon, guys. Okay, here are the places or applications you can use: your work desk, kitchen, car, public washroom, shoes cabinet, bags, hotel rooms, hospital ward, kids playroom, baby stuffed toys, blankets, pillows, and newly renovated house. Okay, so upon opening it, here's the manual. Here's the actual device. It's a small one. It's even smaller than my Bluetooth speaker, which is here on my table. See? And they look like brothers. They have vents and all that stuff. Yeah. Okay. So it's supposed to be standing on your I guess this is magnetic or something. I don't have anything metal here that I can test it with. No, it looks like, it feels like rubber. It's not magnetic. Okay. So it's supposed to stand like that. Oh, I hit the camera. It comes with a micro USB charger and this thing. What is it? It was in the bottom of the box, so let's open it so that we know what it is. Okay. Feels like gel something where you can put it on. It says Aller Plasma Sterilizer. Okay. So we'll put this away somewhere it's not gonna mess with us. Oh, I throwed it on the floor. Put my trusty knife away and inspect the unit. Okay, looks like the power button is here along with where the logo of the Aller is, and you see it's turning on. Let's try it. If it's gonna charge, I can feel it on. There's a slight vibration. The micro USB port is on the side. Okay, so then plug it in, and as you can see, it's blinking. It technically uses cold plasma to deactivate viruses and bacteria in enclosed spaces of up to 30 cubic meters or a small standard room. Okay, power consumption is 3 watts. Power is DC 5 volts. Okay, so try it out, guys. It's available already online. For the white and black colors is 6,000 pesos. If you want the gold color, it's gonna be around 6,800 pesos. Doesn't hurt to be safe and make sure that we have everything that we can use. So this is a welcome addition to the house to help protect the house, and this is something that my wife can bring out when she goes to work, and she can leave it on her table so that her surroundings are clean and clear. So that's it, guys. Just search Aller Plasma Sterilizer Nano Plus. Thanks guys. Bye.